Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get custom ringtones on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser. Okay, and once you are on browser, you can search for ringtones for Android. So here you can see different websites. You can get ringtones from here. So once you have ringtones, you simply need to go on to your settings. Here you need to click on sound and vibration. Scroll down and click on sim one ringtone, and simply it is up to you. And here you can see add ringtone option. Click on that and you can select the downloaded ringtone from here, and it will be added here, and you can select that ringtone by clicking this, and here you can see that this ringtone is now selected. So this is the process by which you can set custom ringtone on Android. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.